Discover how Zillow Premier Agent can revolutionize your real estate client acquisition strategy. Zillow Premier Agent is a paid advertising program offered by Zillow, designed specifically for real estate professionals who want to significantly boost their online presence and connect with a higher volume of qualified leads. Its core purpose is to bridge the gap between motivated home buyers and sellers actively searching on Zillow and top-tier real estate agents ready to assist them, streamlining the connection process. One of its primary benefits is unparalleled visibility. Premier agents are prominently featured on property listing pages, alongside their contact information, making them the first point of contact for interested parties. This direct placement leads to a consistent stream of valuable leads. When a user expresses interest in a property or requests more information, the inquiry is directly routed to a Premier agent associated with that specific area, ensuring immediate follow-up. Beyond direct leads, the program often provides advanced CRM tools, detailed performance analytics, and dedicated support, helping agents efficiently track their return on investment and refine their marketing efforts, fostering a consistent pipeline. Agents invest in specific zip codes or geographic areas on Zillow, essentially purchasing a share of the impressions and leads generated within those chosen zones. The more they invest, the greater their share of direct client connections within their target market. For real estate professionals serious about expanding their reach and converting more prospects into clients, Zillow Premier Agent offers a powerful platform to dominate their local market. Explore how it can transform your business today.